Well, how's going on, everybody? So, let's begin with our today's lesson, consonants. These are hangul consonants. So, the first one, ki ok, which stands g and k both. It depends upon the word that where to pronounce g or k. Here are examples like gun or kite. Although they are just examples of English language, in Korean it's different. Korean is very different from English. So this kiok, which is pronounced as g or k, is made like this. 1 and 2. G. And you can just memorize it very easily. But I prefer that don't focus on their names that much, like Kiyok, Piak, Nian. Learn their pronunciation because they will be very helpful for you when you will read or write. Our next consonant is N. It's opposite of G when we come to write it, like this. N. Here we go with the next one. Sorry. This is the. This is the. 1, 2. It sounds as the. Example is dog. This is real, which is sounds as r and l. Okay, so it is easy. 1 line, 2 line, 3 line, 4 line, 5 line. So it consists of 5 line, and this is r or l. This is miam, and it is m. Example, we can have it like mouse. This is m. 1. It will be like 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is m. This consonant is p and it is sound as b and p. Example, ball and pen. So it is made like this: 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is p. Now this one is siot, which sounds as s. It is s. Example, stars, twinkling twinkling little stars. So this is made like this: 1 and 2. There are other ways to make it, like some people make like this, but the one which is more the one which looks more native one is like this. That's why I also make like this. It's all very easy. This consonant is chiat, which sound as j. I know that I've written J, but it sounds as J. Actually, these Hangul pronunciation is very similar to Hindi ones. That's why it is known as J. Example, jelly, and this is very similar to J. Sir. So it is 1, 2, and 3. You can see that this is Sir, and by adding like one line, this is now have become j. Now listen this very carefully. Some consonants are doubled and also their pronunciation. These consonants are sometimes doubled used in some words. So we take with the first consonant, which is kiok. G becomes sangyok. Sangyok. You can see this double G and double S. So kiok becomes sangyok, and their pronunciation, like this is g, this one is g, so it becomes G. It's if I will just tell you like this, it will be look same only, so difference is not much. Then the becomes the, b becomes b, s becomes s, and j becomes j. So if we see that by they will look very similar if I will teach you like this. So by their names they will look a little bit different. So Kyok becomes Sangkyok, Digat becomes Sangdiat, Biep becomes Sangbiep, Siot becomes Sangsiot, Jiat becomes Sangjiat. I hope you will be understanding this very clearly, and if you guys have any doubt in anything or besides the lesson also, you can just comment below and ask me what's your doubt. And I think you must remember this as I told you about this consonant in my previous video session. This is which is called, and its name is ing. It sounds as but in words when we write it, it's usually silent. Usually it is silent. So it's just a circle. You all must have known how to make it. Like, oh sorry, this is like this. And now here comes our aspirated consonants, and the following consonants will also be aspirated. We have learned where the very basic consonants of hangul, and now the only I think 4 to 5 consonants are left now, and these are aspirated. Okay, these are aspirated, which means they will sound like h in the end. So this is the first aspirated consonant. So this is ch. It's like in Hindi, it is ch. First of all, you have to make like this and this. So this is j, you may think, and by adding line, you have to line add, and this is now ch. And in example, if you will see it, given here is a Korean word. This word is a Korean word as in cheese. Yeah, this is called cheese. This is a Korean word for cheese. Cheese is known as cheese in Korean. In Hangul, it's known as cheese. So I hope you will learn this very easily. This is ch, and another way of making ch is make this one and this. This is also known as ch, and this is also known as ch. Okay, and this is k. This one is k, and its name is Kyak. These aspirated ones are very, very, very similar to Hindi. This is k, 1 and 2. Now this is k. Example, ki, 1 and 2. This one is piap, which sounds as p. This sounds as p. Example is package. So package in Hangul, package is called pakiji. So package in Korean is called pakiji, and it's full of lines. Okay, like 1 line, 2 line, 3 line, 4 line, and this is our p. Okay, I hope it's very easy. I'll make it again. 1 line, 2 line, 3 line, and 4 line. This is p. And this one is tiat. So this is t and t. Okay, this is t and t both, but usually it is th. It's like th. Like you must have known BTS V, whose real name is Taeyong. So it's written as th. Taeyong consists of this Taeyong consists of this consonant. The. Okay, it's like E. You write it as E. Th. So in example, this is a toolbox. Although in Korean, this toolbox is known as togu. So this I've written togu, but it is pronounced as togu. And our last consonant is here, which is pronounced as h. Example, hen. And this is the most interesting consonant when we come to write it. So this is like 1, 2 and 3. H. I hope it's very easy. 1, 2 and 3. This is H. So we are done with our consonants lesson here. We have covered all the consonants, the aspirated ones and basic ones all. And I know that it must be a little hard as it's the first time when you will practice. They would be the easiest thing you will ever known in Korean. So don't lose your hope. I know, cause when I learned these consonants, I was like, oh, this ground feels so heavier on my head. But practice makes a perfect person. I mean that a practice makes a perfect person perfect. And don't run away from the basics. Okay, if you will run away from the basics, you won't be able to learn anything in your life. Basics are the first thing you should learn about anything. And if we talk about our motherland language, so our mother tongue, in example, if we say that our mother tongue is Hindi. Okay, so if our mother tongue is Hindi, so we all know how to write the Hindi, that Vyanjan Swargam saying sorry Swar. So we all know those. So if take it that if we don't know these Hindi words, will we able to write Hindi or learn Hindi or read Hindi? No, we won't. So that's why that's the same case in every language or everything which you're gonna learn, that don't run away from the basics are everything in anything. So bye for now. And again, I'm saying that if you guys think that something is missing in your sessions or something you would like to know more, you can comment down and ask me what you guys would like to ask from me. Okay, thank you.